guys, all of you welcome to my YouTube channel. And all of you are thinking that what I am doing here and with my selfie camera. And so that is today I am going to make a vlog video on a picnic which not I with our full family we are doing. And so enjoy the vlog video. And today's topic is on the Peer Pukur, and this name is derived from pukur that is there. See, all of you can see and see that there is a pond, and for this pond this name is derived. And now you can see that this is my brother, and he already make many video with me in my YouTube channel. And my brother and my sister all are came in this picnic. And see, there is a canal, and first see that and all of you see that there we cooked our rice. See, and this is a handmade and this is a handmade oven, and all of you know that this is unon. And see, my uncle is cooking rice, and my uncle is the main manager of the head of the cooking and maintaining the cooking department. And see, there is a tractor, and that is for harvesting the fields, and I will see all the fields. And first see that there we cooked our rice. See, and after that we will cook meat, and not meat, that is chicken. And all of you can see. And now enjoy this canal. See the canal. See, wait, I am going up. See where I am going, and it's my daughter, it's my sister. And see what a view it is. See, and we are enjoying very much. And see, and how much wind is flowing, and what is the speed of the wind. And now I'm standing, and how much down it is. And now wait, I am go down, and these stairs are very slanting. See, not, yeah, it's very slanting, and it is very dangerous. See, and this dam is not of this period, and it is very old, very. All of you can see that this is made up of basalt. Yeah, I think it's basalt. See, I think it's basalt. And at and many period many times ago there water is flowing, and now also flowing, but in the monsoon time. And see, from here and in monsoon time water is flowing over this this area. See, and this dam is many long, and how much it's old we also don't know. And it's about 300 to 400 years ago. And see where I am, and see all the basalt rocks. I think this is basalt. As Chotanagpur Plateau, in Chotanagpur Plateau there are many basalt and also granite, so it's maybe granite or basalt. And see, and now here water does not flow. So see, many people give the cow cakes, and these cakes are made up of cow dung, and all of you know this, I think. But see, and now see where I am. See where I am going. See, and we are enjoying many better. And if you come, and this place is at the Bankura district, and I think it's not known by many one. And see, slanting it is, and where I am going. See, And these I am telling about these rocks. It's maybe basalt or granite. See, and these rocks are very much strong. And see, they are our picnic spot. See, all our mother and my aunties are are cutting the vegetables, and they are telling about many stories among themselves. And see, all of you can see that there is little water in this dam, and this is perennial river. No, sorry, I think it's not perennial, it's non-perennial. Yeah, and see, here is our picnic spot. See, from where I go and where I am. See, here all our mothers and aunties, all my mother and all my aunties. See, and the wind speed is very much. And I am telling about this particular pond, and the pir name is came from the masjid there is, and that is beyond this all of you can see there. See the top of the temple. See, that is see this. Now preparing for bathing in this pond, and see how many birds are there. See, and we also came take our bird, and that is a parrot. See, there I am not going there. See, there is our parrot at this small cage. And see, where we prepare for cutting vegetables. See, my mom is cutting tomatoes and vegetables, and aunties and my grandmother are cutting the coriander leaf. And see, this is our bird. See, and see, all of you enjoy this picnic spot. And today is 31st January, and we haven't come tomorrow, because if we come tomorrow, there will not a place where we can make our picnic spot or choose our picnic spot. And this is very much slanting, and I need to run. And see how long this dam is. See, there is little bit water. See, and now I need to run. See, and all of you can hear the speed of the wind or the sound of the wind. And see, there is the water. See, in monsoon season, from all this place the water is flow. See, there. See, and we are enjoying very much, all of you know that. And we all came here to for doing picnic. And yes, this is a picnic, and this is the picnic spot nearest our home. So we come here, but if there is time, then we will go to Susunia Hill. All of you know that, and it is in the Bankura district, Susunia Hill. And there many hills are there, like Koror Hills and many hills I don't know. And see, we are enjoying. See, enjoy this place, and what I will tell. and see at about what place I am seeing that there is fog. See, all the place is covered by fog. See, and I also can't see anything. And see, there is little uh, 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 fields, and there many plants are grow, and I think that's mustard, but I can't see that. Yes, try to see that. That's yellow flower. I think it's mustard. And see, and see there are cows are grazing. See, and there my uncle is preparing our food, and my another uncle have gone to take a speaker, and that is Bluetooth speaker, because here there is a little bit problem about the current. So my another uncle, and that's my younger uncle, and it's my Bodo Kaku, means in Bengali we tell this Bodo Kaku, and my Choto Kaku has gone to take a Bluetooth speaker, so I can't see him. And see, there my mother and my aunties or kakimas, all my kakimas. So see, after that when we will eat, or if there is interesting in this spot, then I will must see you. And now this is again I have came and to see that how we are dancing. All of you can see that. See, they all are dancing a speaker. See, yes, and we are and this day is full of masti, and see how they are dancing. See, we all are doing very much excitement, and see, with a DJ speaker. See, and all the children are dance. See, and here now it become around 1:30, and but in almost 4 hours the cooking is not completed. But yes, the only the chicken is left, and my grandfather are already sit to eat. And see there, and see, we are doing very much excitement, and now the chicken is also left to cook the chicken. See, now see the color of the chicken, and my younger uncle or the Choto Kaku is the cooker, and see the color of the
This song presented by DJ Hope in the remix.
see, and the DJ is my brother. He is controlling all the DJ part. See, he has the Bluetooth speaker, and my uncles are taken the department of cooking, and my mother and my aunties take the department of talking. See, they are talking with each other, and see, all are talking with each other and telling the stories of their childhood and many. And here the my uncles, all of you can see, and the DJ part is taken with by my brother, and the dancer are my sister and my younger brother. See.